Leaks. Please be on you. Leaks. Nandiyan ka pa. Leaks. Saan ka ba sa atin sa Pinas? Leaks. The people you work with good. Leaks. Sabi mo, ikaw sa sa atin sa Pinas. Talk English. Leaks. Sabi mo, taga Pilipinas ka. Bakit ako ipag-i-Englishin mo? Leaks, where you from? If you are not Leaks, you told me that you are from the Philippines, ha? Why you are saying that I'm talking English, but you are Filipino? Yes, you are from the Philippines.